means a lot to be able to help other people.
I like this table, yes.
Bouba Dieme is a popular visitor at the East Boston Senior Center. He and his team provide routine but vital health screenings. In 19 Greater Boston communities, they're engaging people with heart health information, support, and the free screenings.
120 over 80 or below.
Raised in Senegal and educated in South Africa, Bouba was a 25-year-old graduate student when he was hit with flu-like symptoms and chest pain.
I went to the emergency room and then they found out that my heart was bigger than normal.
Too big and working too hard to pump his blood. He felt isolated, shocked, and exhausted.
There was no patient stories I could relate to. So it was very, I would say, traumatic in hindsight.
Yeah. Medication worked for a while, but in 2016, after he, his wife, and young son arrived in Boston, new testing revealed his problem was congenital, life-threatening. For the next 6 years, while he waited for a heart transplant, he relied on a surgically implanted mechanical device to survive.
But I always try to look at the positive side.
He became a dad again to twin boys, wrote a blog for other patients, and volunteered with the American Heart Association. He also saw the undeniable gaps in cardiac health resources, particularly in low-income and immigrant communities. In 2022, he received the transplant at Brigham and Women's Hospital. By then, he'd already launched his Heart of a Giant Foundation to address disparities and build community.
It gives all the meaning to my life that I didn't expect.
It's extremely important because cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer.
Retired nurse Patricia Nunn says at this senior center, members' blood pressure is trending down.
If you have early intervention, then it's much better. You have better positive outcomes. They're teaching me Spanish. My accents are terrible, and sometimes they laugh, but this feels like home.
Heart of a Giant provided 1,300 screenings last year alone and aims to offer even more this year.
What changes in these communities because of Heart of a Giant?
We basically have healthier and stronger communities. That's why if we're all doing better, we're all productive, and I think all of that, we can all thrive together.